Here are the ingredients for this recipe: cucumber, Greek yogurt, cumin powder, and sea salt. Let's begin with washing a large cucumber. Let's peel the cucumber. Now this is completely optional, you don't necessarily have to do it. And then let's cut both the ends. After this, we will grate it. Now I'm adding 500 grams of Greek yogurt to the grated cucumber. Then add sea salt to taste. And then add 1 teaspoon of roasted ground cumin powder. Mix everything well. Now let's talk about the nutritional benefits of cucumber. It is rich in antioxidants, has high water content, regulates blood sugar, balances cholesterol, and helps in weight loss. 100 grams of it contains 14 kilocalories. That's it. Voila! The dish is complete. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.